We never expect problems to occur with our heating systems, but sometimes they do. In this instance, we're going to talk about the Bosch eTRVs. This particular one has lost its connection to the Bosch Easy Control, and it could be for a number of reasons, but we're going to try and solve it. The simplest way to do that is just to do a factory reset. Factory resetting the Bosch eTRVs is pretty straightforward. It consists of two steps. The first step is to factory reset the eTRV itself. The second step is just to unpair and repair it in the Bosch Easy app, both of which are really simple to do. Let's find out how. To factory reset the eTRV, first of all, we need to remove it from the radiator. You should be able to undo it like so. Once it's removed off the radiator, you want to pull down the back panel and remove one of the batteries. With the battery removed, hold the O button on top and keep holding it as you put the battery back in. As you keep holding it, the display will come up and it will show RES for reset. Press the button again, and there we have it, it's reset. After a short delay, the eTRV is going to show a fixed symbol like this. This means it's ready to go back onto the radiator. Simply screw it back on, nice and tight, and press the O button again, and then the eTRV is going to recommission itself to the TRV body. If the recommissioning is successful, we will see the target room temperature showed on the eTRV. This is now ready to unpair and repair in the app.